So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world for Uber and Lyft drivers. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about New York City is looking to hire Uber and Lyft drivers for extra pay, for extra work. This is gonna be a short, quick video. I just wanted to get this announcement out there. If you do live in New York, or if you work in New York, or if you live in New York, you could actually get a job by the state or the city of New York, which is actually pretty nuts. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. Without further ado, let's just get started. New York City is now hiring Uber and Lyft drivers for help. Let me sync up my phone here. So yeah, I'm going to click it in 3, 2, 1, click. Here we go, TheVerge.com. The Verge is, very popular news source. It goes, New York City is offering to hire out of work Uber and Lyft drivers. So any drivers, if you're an Uber and Lyft or Lyft driver and you are not getting good pay right now, your earnings are down, you do live here, this could actually, and this is really important because even if you are not in New York, you could actually still get money. So you could still get paid because other cities are probably going to start doing this soon. It's sad, but New York City is like, that's where they have the most cases, so they're hurting a lot and they need workers. Here we go. Drivers are sought to, so it could happen in other cities too as it spreads more rapidly. Drivers are sought to deliver meals to seniors during the pandemic. New York City is offering to hire out-of-work Uber and Lyft drivers, and it's even promising to reimburse them for all their driving expenses. Wow. So, you're not, all those miles you put on your car and all that gas, you're going to get back. That's how much they want you. The appeal comes at a time when many drivers are seeing their earnings dry up and blank. Can't say that word or else I get demonetized. Somebody asked why I would get demonetized. YouTube is just demonetizing all videos around this subject. So yeah, I just can't say that word. I know, I'm not cheating the system, but I kind of am. In an email, the city is taxing, I'm not cheating the system. I just, I wouldn't be able to make videos if we all got demonetized, or like about this topic at least. So otherwise you would just, it's either this or nothing. So this is what you got. In an email, the city's TLC, stands for Taxi and Limousine Commission, said it is seeking drivers to help the city of NY with New York with important work, blank. The disease caused blank. The work would include delivering food to homebound senior citizens. The TLC warns that initially the need for drivers will be small, but it could increase as more residents request meal delivery services. The agency is offering a $15 per hour wage plus reimbursements for gas, mileage, and tolls. Drivers will be selected on a first come, first served basis. $15 an hour, I mean, it's not great, but the fact that you're going to be doing that plus reimbursed, like Uber and Lyft is not reimbursing you for all your miles and expenses. So it's you're pretty much going to be making the same. Because, I mean, let's say you're making 20 an hour, 25 an hour. Let's say you're only making 15 an hour driving Uber and Lyft. You're still putting on tons of miles on your car. That's depreciation, maintenance, wear and tear. Let alone gas. I mean, gas is the least expensive thing that's the funniest thing is people think gas is, the most expensive thing, cost of your car. It's actually the least expensive. More expensive is wear and tear and depreciation. But those, come later. So in an email, Here we go. The world is changing around us, and many of you are without work. The TLC says you are a top priority for the TLC, and we recognize that you are among the hardest hit by the public crisis. Like most shared transportation services, Uber has a precipitous drop in ridership as a result of this. That's true. Uber and Lyft drivers, we're taking the hit, honestly, the hardest, guys. Like, who's going out and getting rides right now? No one. Universities are shut down. Restaurants are shut down. Bars are shut down, guys. Nightclubs are shut down. Colleges are shut down. High schools are shut down. Even though, I mean, I still get quite a bit of rides from high school seniors who are 18. Like, once people turn 18, their parents are like driving, just ordering Uber, or like they're just like, here, order Uber to school, get picked up by Uber. So, you know, high schoolers too, or take at least the seniors, the 18-year-olds. But yeah, let's keep reading. The company's gross bookings in Seattle, Uber and Lyft, is down 60 to 70%, and Uber is assuming similar declines in other big cities like SF, LA, and NYC. The company suspended Uber Pool. That's true. I already made a video on that. If you want to hear all the deets on that, spill the tea on that, you can go watch that video. In most major markets, and providing financial assistance for drivers who, 2 weeks pay, not going to be that much, who have had their accounts suspended or been told to blank by public health officials. Yesterday, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi sent a direct appeal to the White House for the inclusion of gig workers and ride-hail drivers in an economic stimulus package to come out of Congress. NYC-based driver groups praise the TLC for its offer, noting that the city's for-hire vehicle drivers have seen their earnings plummet amid the pandemic. Drivers are ready to step up to help the city in this time of great need. Brennan Sexton, executive director of the Independent Drivers Guild, said in a statement, "We are thankful that the city sees the value in this workforce and appreciate the commissioner's hard work to make delivery TLC a reality." Who's this? How to empty your bowel? Ew, bruh, I don't want to, bruh. Okay, I already know how to do that. I just go, okay. Anyways, that's it. Yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.